This is good news for lovers of the Kawasaki company's 600cc four-cylinder sport bike. According to the mass media, the Ninja ZX-6R is still in production and Kawasaki will likely launch a new generation ZX-6R versions. Previously, rumors circulated that the Ninja ZX-6R would be discontinued and made room for the Ninja ZX-7R. These rumors were refuted by Kawasaki and they stated that the ZX-6R will continue to be produced and that the ZX-7R and ZX-6R are two completely different concepts. There is some information that the old generation ZX-6R will be produced until 2023 and will continue to launch the new generation ZX-6R in 2024. Currently, the engine of the ZX-6R does not meet Euro 5 emission standards, so it is possible that the new generation ZX-6R will be equipped with an all-new four-cylinder engine. Besides, the ZX-6R must tone and appearance design. Maybe it will be changed a bit in the front and headlights. Many people will think that the ZX-6R will be equipped with a 600cc engine block with supercharged technology. For Kawasaki, supercharged engines are no longer new to them. Now they are aiming for a new, more powerful engine. Therefore, it is likely that shortly Kawasaki will equip with a supercharged engine for a series of new generation motorcycles. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like, share this video. Thank you and see you.